you how to play the F sharp minor 7 flat 5 chord. Sounds like this. So the first finger will go on the first fret and on the second string, and the pinky finger will go on the first string and second fret, and the third finger will go on the second fret and third string, and your second finger will go on the second fret and fourth string, like so. The top string, the top 6th string will be mute. You don't play that string. You play all the rest down below. Another variation of the same chord is on the 5th fret. This one. So first finger will go on the 5th fret on the 3rd string. The second finger will go on the 6th fret and 5th string, and the third finger will go on the 7th fret and 4th string, and then your pinky finger will go on the 2nd string and 7th fret. So the top 6th string and the very bottom 1st string will be mute. You don't play those strings, but you play the rest in between. Another variation is down here on the 1st fret. So the first finger will lay flat, covering the 4th, 3rd, 2nd strings, and then the third finger will go on the 3rd string on the 2nd fret, and the second finger will go on the top string, top string, and 2nd fret, top string and 2nd fret. That's how it sounds. The 5th string and the bottom 1st string will be mute. You don't play those strings. We'll play the rest. So there you have it. F sharp minor 7, flat 5 chord.